Thank you for watching. Daylight saving is a topic that's often talked about. I believe the advantages and disadvantages are rather obvious. The advantages, of course, is that we get more daylight while we're awake. The disadvantage is that there are misunderstandings. People can forget to change their clocks. People arrive the wrong time for appointments. It can affect sleep rhythm, and it can make the roads less safe. What makes it difficult, I think, to work out if it should be kept or not, is that we're not dealing of apples versus apples. What I mean is, let's say someone is deciding to buy a car and then thinks maybe lease a car instead. They can do the arithmetic, which works out cheaper. They might need help from someone who knows the math better. There are certain advantages and disadvantages, but hopefully calculate which is better. But what if I say to someone, your fridge is going to be half the size, half the amount of food can fit in it, but in return, you're going to live next door to the huge library, the best library with the best facilities. Is it worth it? It's so difficult because it's totally different concepts, the size of the fridge and having a great library nearby. To some people, it's an easy decision. Someone doesn't need much of a fridge. Someone loves libraries or hates libraries. But in general, because it's so different, it's difficult to calculate. It's the same thing here. It's such different concepts. I thought about it and I decided, even after talking to other people, I have a feeling we're better off without daylight savings. It just causes so many issues and difficulties. I think life will be easier for everyone without it. That's my opinion. And I do concede that my opinion is based on a gut feeling. It's not based on lots and lots of research. As always, what are your opinions? And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.